A driver crashed into a home in Garson this afternoon, possibly due to a medical emergency. The bumper was destroyed, said Tenant Sebastian Tingao, who added no one was home at the time of the incident. He arrived later to find the front porch of the building was heavily damaged. No description of the vehicle or the driver was provided. Tingao said he was told the driver might have had some kind of medical emergency, but this has not been confirmed. Police, the fire department and an ambulance responded to the April 8 incident.
Searching for greatness.